How to stop adding people by added by search on Snapchat. Hello everybody. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop that and take control of your privacy. So if any random people are adding you on Snapchat through this search, we will show you how we can do it. So let's get started. First of all, head over and open up the Snapchat app and tap on your profile or your Bitmoji on the top left corner. And here you can tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down to the privacy controls. Just go ahead and look out for privacy control here. So here you can look at the option called privacy control, where we can find this option called contact me. So you can find this option called contact me. You can either select friends or friends and contacts. But below that, under comment settings, we also have this option called see me in quick add. So what you're going to do is simply tap on it and disable this option so the people can't find you just by searching your username. So you can just do it, and that is it, and you have stopped people from adding you through search on Snapchat. So if this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more privacy tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.